think what initially attracted me to the house was the corner lot, the pool, and actually our garage. Coming home every day with the driveway not in a state that I was happy, it was really disappointing. My car would actually slide when I was trying to back up because the surface that I got applied originally was so slick. It was like ice. It really was dangerous. I fell myself a couple times, Kaylee did, and our kids slipped and fell a couple times. It was stressful, to be honest with you. As silly as that might sound, it was when I felt it like it was a liability. Just from a curb appeal, it didn't pop. It wasn't exciting, and it was money that wasn't well spent.
We found Alloyed by failing through a prior situation. We went with other companies and had the paint applied, and it did not adhere to our driveway. The builder that we had been working with, he kind of turnkeyed everything for us, and he ended up finding you guys, and we went and saw a couple of properties that we really liked. The process was amazing with Allied. They were very prompt and quick to respond to us. I think it was in a few days someone reached out and brought a laptop, showed us a lot of different products and color schemes and what it might look like with our brick patterns.
I mean, they took the time to kind of understand the outlay of the house and the lots, and then how they would best design the driveway with it, and they gave us options. So
the process with the designer was so easy. He showed me a few colors, and I immediately knew we didn't want it to look like an afterthought. We wanted it to flow fluid with the house and the color scheme.
And they delivered 110% across the board.
Living here in the Woodlands, it was a little bit different because we have to get approval from the Woodlands Association. But Allied did all the work for us. We picked the colors and they approached the HOA. And once Allied was able to get those permits and start, it was, gosh, I feel like it was only like a week. Yeah. They had everything complete, and then we just had to wait to drive on it was the hardest part.
And the staff was great. They would arrive on time when they told us they would. They wouldn't no-show on some days either. I mean, it was to the dot, just like they promised. We went with Carvestone, I think, because my wife, she wanted just something bold to kind of stand out. And
it just looks more complete, better curb appeal, and no one else on the street has it. It just kind of adds some nice pop to the house.
Working with Allied, there's a warranty and a maintenance program, and to maintain the warranty, you do need to get it resealed about every 2 years, which we just had ours done, which again was a very seamless process. It took half a day to get it completely resealed and about 2 days to not drive on it, and that was it. And that's been the only maintenance we've had on it whatsoever. I mean, I feel immensely proud of how our house looks. I mean, this is my first house. I never thought that a driveway could add so much to a house, but it really does. Everybody sees that. Not a whole lot of people see our backyard and the pool, but everyone sees your driveway.
I would 152% recommend Allied to everyone.
I mean, we had so many issues with the driveway before and spent and respent money that wasn't a good investment, but yeah, 152% would recommend Allied again.